Hello, myself Dr. P.K. Verma. Welcome you in the biology classes. Now we shall start the sixth chapter headed as molecular basis of inheritance. At first we shall study how it was confirmed that DNA serves as genetic material. In the early 20th century, when it was confirmed that genes are situated in or on the chromosome, many scientists were confused. If it is on the surface of chromosome, that means the protein might be serving as genetic material. In 1928, Griffith worked on Diplococcus pneumoniae, that is now called Streptococcus pneumoniae, causing pneumonia in human. This disease is lethal to the laboratory mice. Now, in most pneumonia patients, two forms of Diplococcus, one smooth and another rough, were found. In the smooth form, there is a polysaccharide coat around the cell surface. But in rough form, there is no polysaccharide coat. So, they can be identified easily. Griffith separated the two, cultured them separately, and tested effect on mice separately. It was found that a smooth form of bacteria cause pneumonia, the mice die, so it is pathogenic. But the rough form has no effect on mice. Now, smooth forms were killed by heating, and the dead bacteria were injected into mice. It was found that dead bacteria had no effect on mice. That means these are the living smooth forms that are pathogenic, not any product of the bacteria serving as toxin and killing the mice. Thus, neither the living rough bacteria nor the dead smooth bacteria can cause disease. Due to some accidental experiments, a fault of lab boy, an idea developed to mix dead smooth bacteria with living rough bacteria. Griffith mixed dead smooth form with living R form and injected the mixture into mice. He was surprised to find that the mice were killed and its blood contained living smooth bacteria. Mind it, the smooth form were dead. The dead organism cannot get life again. In the mixture, living rough forms were there, and later on, in the blood of mice, living smooth bacteria were present. It means rough bacteria has become transformed into smooth bacteria, developed the pathogenic effect as well as the polysaccharide coat. Why it happens? Griffith suggested that some chemical serving as genetic material came out of the cells of smooth bacteria, entered into rough bacteria, and caused transformation. What I said? Some chemical serving as genetic material came out of dead smooth bacteria and entered into living rough bacteria and caused transformation. But which chemical he could not confirm, and the experiment on bacteria stopped for almost 16 years. Later on, 3 students of Griffith repeated the experiment but in different way. Avery, MacLeod and McCarthy, these 3 scientists cultured Diplococcus, isolated smooth form, and then isolated every constituent in finest purity. That is the polysaccharides, DNA, RNA, protein, these all were separated, and in different normal cultures of rough form bacteria. Mind it, the culture was made for developing rough form bacteria in different test tubes. In one, polysaccharide was mixed, in another, protein was mixed, in the third, RNA was mixed, and in the fourth, DNA was mixed. He found that all those cultures in which carbohydrate, protein, or RNA was mixed, there was no transformation. But when DNA of smooth bacteria was mixed, transformation occurred and rough Diplococcus changed into smooth Diplococcus. He did the same experiment but by using enzymes. In all the culture medium, they mixed DNA extract of smooth form of bacteria. Now in one medium, peptidase was mixed to dissolve peptide protein. In another, RNA was mixed to dissolve RNA. And in the third, DNA was mixed to dissolve DNA. The extract of smooth form contained DNA, RNA as well as protein. When peptidase was mixed, protein was digested, RNA and DNA remained as such. Transformation occurred. It means either RNA or DNA is serving as genetic material. In second test tube, RNA was mixed. Transformation occurred. So, RNA is not genetic material. It could be DNA serving as genetic material. When DNA was mixed, DNA was digested and rough form remained rough. There was no transformation. It means DNA served as genetic material. In this way, it was confirmed that DNA is the genetic material. It is not protein. However, in some viruses, RNA also serves as genetic material. Most plant viruses contain RNA as genetic material, and most of the human diseases, whether it is AIDS or SARS, the famous corona or Ebola, These all develop because of RNA virus. Thank you.